Act 1, beginners please. Your calls, Miss Utley, Miss Ashton, Mr. Lejeune, Mr. Fellows, Miss Blair. Act 1, beginners please.
And maybe Act 1 beginners is what we will get. What do you think?
You know, Bobby will pull herself together now that it's called beginners. Now she knows she's got to be on stage in 5 minutes. Won't she?
Will she?
You know what that is like?
We have all been on the road for a month. We all got to action underneath. What is going to be like by the time we go to Stockton Keys?
If only she'd speak.
If only she would open her dressing room door. Look, the daughter won't go on.
Will go on.
She won't.
She will.
Of course she will.
Won't she?
I'm sure she will, but if she doesn't...
She must.
She will, but if she didn't...
I never wanted it to change.
If only she would say something.
I'll have to let it go. It takes your mind off your own problems anyway.
Is she gone?
Boy! I didn't know you were coming here today.
I wasn't. I haven't.
Anyway, thanks God you're here.
I am not here. I'm in Aberystwyth Festival. I'm in the middle of rehearsing Richard III.
Right? Dot and Gary.
I don't want anyone to know I'm in.
No, but Dot and Gary.
I just want 2 hours alone with Brooke in her dressing room in between shows. Then I'm on the 725 back to Wales. Give this to Brooke. Put it somewhere safe. Make sure Selden doesn't see it.
Right? He had had some kind of role.
Good, good. Look, there's a little flower shop across the road from the stage door. I want you to go and buy me some very large, expensive-looking flowers.
Right? Now Dot will lock herself in the dressing room.
And don't let Poppy see those flowers. They are not for Poppy.
No, and she won't speak to anyone.
First house finishes at 5, yes? Second house starts at 7:30.
Lloyd, that's what I'm trying to tell you. There may not be a show.
She hasn't come out already?
No, nobody knows what she's doing. She'll lock herself in the dressing room. She won't speak to anyone.
Have you called beginners?
Yes.
I can't play a complete love scene from Cold in 5 minutes. It's not dramatically possible.
She has had a breakup with Gary before, of course.
Brooke? Broke up with Gary?
Brooke, not Brooke. Dottie.
Oh, Dottie, yes.
I mean, they had a famous breakup the week before last, and we were playing in Warsaw.
Yes, yes, you told me on the phone.
Right? She went out with this journalist below.
Journalist, yes, yes.
And you know what? Gary threatened to kill him.
Kill him, yes. Listen, Tim, don't worry. Don't worry about Dottie. She's got money in the show.
But you know what? It happened again. 2 o'clock this morning, I'm waking up by this great banging on my door. It's Gary. No, I know what that is. She hasn't come home.
Tim, let me tell you something about my life. I have the Duke of Buckingham on the phone for an hour every evening after rehearsal, complaining that the Duke of Gloucester is sucking boiled sweets through his speeches. The Duke of Clarence is off the entire week making a commercial for the Azores. Richard himself, would you imagine, Richard III, is gone off with a back problem. I keep getting messages from Brooke telling how unhappy she is, and now she's got herself a doctor's certificate for nervous exhaustion. She's going to walk. I don't have time to find or rehearsal another Brooke. I just have one afternoon while Richards is finished for a surgical corset to cure Brooke of a nervous exhaustion with no medical aid except for a little whiskey. You've got the whiskey, a few flowers, you've got the money for the flowers, and a certain faded charm. I didn't come to the theater to listen to other people's problems. I came to be taken out of myself, and preferably not put back again.
No, but Lloyd.
Have you made front of house calls?
Right, the front of house calls, yes.
And don't let Poppy see those flowers.
No. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 3 minutes.
We are going to be so late out.
No, what?
No, Belinda's having a go. I haven't even started for the house calls yet. Money? What's this for?
Not exactly.
Whiskey?
Is
Where
it?
did you get that? Up here? You mean Selden's hiding them on the stage now?
Well,
I'll put it in the ladies' loop. At least he won't go in there. No?
You know what that is like when she's like this. Freddie is trying now. Oh no.
He's hiding them on stage now. No?
No.
Well, you haven't tried for very long, my sweet.
No, well, oh dear.
He is hiding them on the stage now.
No, Gary came rushing out of his dressing room in a great state. I couldn't quite understand what he was saying. I often feel with Gary that I must have missed something somewhere. You know how stupid I am about this kind of things. But I think he was saying that he wanted to kill me. And I thought I'd better leave him to it. I don't want to make the thing worse. It's alright, is it?
Oh, Gary, very far away from that.
I mean, is it going on?
Gary is going on? Of course he is going on. What is all about Gary is not going on.
Yes, because if you have to go on for Gary, Poppy cannot for Dottie. Because if goes Poppy not for Dottie, you will have to be on the book.
This is getting ridiculous.
Money?
Money.
You are waving money around.
Oh, that's all. I know. I have to go. I have to go. Sorry, I have to go.
She's a funny woman, you know, Dottie. So often now. She was perfectly alright last night.
Last night?
Yeah, she took me for a drink after the show in a club that she knows about.
She was with you? You were with her?
She was being very sympathetic about all my troubles.
She is not going to sing her evening to you. I won't let her.
No. She couldn't have me nicer. In fact, when she came back to my flat afterwards for a cup of tea, she told me about all her troubles. We sat there until 3 o'clock this morning. I don't know what the landlady thought.
And another thing,
Nothing else, my sweet.
where's Elsa?
It turns out that it's Freddie here who is the cause of all the seldom.
He's not in his dressing room.
Oh, I might have guessed.
Oh, the one past us.
You do the cause. I will look for something.
What shall I do?
Absolutely nothing at all, my sweet. You've done quite enough already.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 3 minutes.
You someone.
Elsa? We've lost him.
Not again.
Flowers?
Well, yes, it's for enough.
Oh, Tim, that's really sweet of you. Isn't that sweet of him?
Very charming.
Oh, I'll take a look in the pub. Hold these.
I don't take notes. The front of house calls again. Hold these.
What has done them?
She gave them 2 minutes, right? I will give them 1 minute. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 1 minute.
Oh dear, I think she said 3 minutes.
She said 3 minutes. I said 3 minutes. She said 3 minutes.
I think so.
Hold these. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 2 minutes.
Any luck?
No, but I've just found another bottle. Hidden in the ladies' lavatory, would you believe?
Oh my lord.
Oxfam. I will give it to Oxfam.
He's not in the pub.
No, he's hanging around the ladies' lavatory.
I would rather get this pair here.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 2 minutes.
Oh dear, he's already told them 2 minutes.
Is that 2 minutes? Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 1 minute.
What the fuck is going on?
I didn't know you were coming.
I am not here. I'm in Aberystwyth Festival. But I cannot sit out there and listen to 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes.
We are having a great drama.
We are having great dramas out there. This is the matinee, honey. There are old extensioneers out there. The curtain will rise in 3 minutes. We all start for the gents. The curtain will rise in 1 minute. We all come running back again. We don't know which way we are going.
Tell you.
Of course, honey, of course. Mwah. Looking forward to it.
You got my messages?
Many, many messages.
Why didn't you answer?
I did. I have. I'm here.
I've got to tell you something.
Go on then.
Well, I went to the doctor today and...
Oh, look!
Later, yes, later.
Oh, not another one.
In my dressing room.
In your dressing room. This is getting completely out of control.
I'll agree to Oxman with the other one.
I'll do it, thank you.
Lloyd! Lloyd!
Got it in one.
Did you get my message?
And I came running, honey, and I came running.
Why? We haven't had a talk.
We are going to have a talk, yes?
When?
Later, all right? Later. Flowers?
Oh, yes. Sorry.
This bought them for me.
Tim? Bought them for you?
Yes. Did you cheer me up? Lloyd,
Nothing more, just for the moment. Strangle Tim for me when you see him, will you?
Right.
But what about Dottie?
I don't want to hear anything about Dottie.
And Gary?
I don't want to hear about Gary either.
What about the sales gun?
Listen, I think this show is beyond the help of a director. You just do it. I'll just sit out in the back and eat a bag of toffees and enjoy. 1 minute was your last call, if your memories go back so far.
Excuse me? Doctor,
Girls!
I have a good mind to put my coat on and walk out of that door here and now.
Listen, I'm sure if you're not feeling up to performing, Poppy would always be happy to have a blast on your house.
I beg your pardon, honestly?
Brooke, you sit down and do your meditation. Poppy, my sweetheart, you go and have a look what's happening with Dottie and Gary. Freddie, my sweetheart.
Did I say something wrong?
Oh, Phil, where have you been? Tim, where have you been? We've been looking for you everywhere.
Are you alright?
You know, I've been looking everywhere. In front, manager's office, bar. Not a sign of him.
He's been looking for you in a dressing room.
Yeah, great party's been going on out there. I thought Tim ought to know about it.
I think he has heard, my dear.
Hurt? Oh, everything. Oh, he really went for her.
I know you've got your eye on someone.
Oh dear, Dottie's got their eye on someone,
I've
has she?
seen you creeping off into corners with that poor idiot.
Which poor idiot? Not Tim?
No.
But who else is there apart from me?
They're coming. They're coming.
They're coming!
I knew they wouldn't.
And you're here?
Oh yes, every word.
ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The performance is about to begin.
They are coming.
And we got
How did you get here?
How through the wall.
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The performance is about to begin.
I've done it!
Done it?
I've done it! I've done it!
About to begin?
Yes, about to begin!
The performance is about to begin, is about to begin at any moment.
No, the walls are very thin, you see. I'm absolutely sick to death of it, she cries. Hey, but am I setting a bit of a trend?
Understudy rehearsal, my one.
I guess for Gary, very timely. You tried to give some poor devil a leg up, she says.
Gary, my sweetheart.
She might have said leg over.
Oh, Gary! Are you alright?
What does he say?
He's not saying anything, my sweet.
Very sensible. Only stir it up again. I've seen you giving him little nuts and smiles. That's what he kept saying.
Dottie, my sweetheart.
Oh, she's emerged, has she? Come on, girl, you're on.
Are you alright?
Sure.
She's fine.
All right, everyone?
Little hugs and squeezes.
Curtain up!
Look, Dottie, look, Gary. I'm not going to make a great speech, but we all have to go out there and put on a performance, and well.
We can't do it. We have to talk to each other. That's the spirit.
Well done, Dottie.
Well, it's quite good for a matinee.
There's quite a crowd from the textiles.
So get the taps up, girl. Some of those old pensioners haven't had long ago.
Quite then, please.
Let me just say a few more words. Hold it as a moment,